Hi guys, in this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can add the payment method to your Wix website. This is going to be a step-by-step video. So first thing you need to do, guys, you want to search for wix.com. Of course, that's the first step. Now after, guys, you search for wix.com, you will see here the list of your sites. Now you want to choose which site you want to add the payment method to. So for example, I'm going to add a payment method to this site. It's called No Business Name. I'm going to click on select and edit site, and it's going to take me, guys, to the dashboard of my Wix site. Now that's what I want, so you don't really have to go to Wix editor or where you can like add elements to your site. You just need to go to the dashboard of your Wix site, as you can see. Now after that, you want to scroll down at the very bottom here. You want to click on settings. Now after, guys, you click on settings, it's going to take you guys to this page. Now first thing you need to do, guys, you want to choose here where like something that says payments, or for me here, as you can see like accept payments. Now probably if you are watching this tutorial after like 1 year, they will change something here, but it's the same. Okay, you just need to search here for anything that's called payments. Okay, so you want to click here. For me, like for now, you want to click on accept payment. Okay, so after, guys, you click on accept payments, it's going to take you guys to this page. Now the first thing you need to do, guys, is to add here your business location. Now for now, I live in United States, as you can see here. Now you just need to choose here or search by a country and search for your country, and after that you want to click on choose. Okay, so after, guys, you click on choose, then you will see the payments providers that are available in your Wix website. Like I said, depending on your country. Like if I change this country, if I change United States to, for example, a country in Africa, for example, like the payment providers are going to be limited. Okay, so I will not be able to add many payment providers. Okay, so as you can see, like I said, connect Wix payment or other third-party providers so your customers can pay. Okay, so now what you guys need to do after you change the country, like I said, to your own country, you want to click on see more payment options. Now you will be able to see multiple payment providers that will help you access payments on your Wix website. You just need to choose which payment provider you want, and like these payment providers will help you accept like Visa card, MasterCard. For example, let's talk about, for example, Klarna, for example, or Stripe. Like, okay, if you want to add Stripe, you want to choose here third-party credit debit card providers. You want to click on see options, and it's going to take you guys to this page. Now, for example, if you connect Stripe to your Wix websites, you will be able to access Visa, MasterCard, American Express. As you can see, like multiple payment methods will be accepted after you connect this payment provider to your Wix website. You just need to create an account in Stripe. Of course, you will have to know if Stripe is available in your country or not. Like, is Stripe, like, for example, just search for Stripe available countries, and you will be able to see the countries here where Stripe is available. If it's not available, then you want to choose another provider. Okay, this is like Stripe is not available, I believe, in Africa. Okay, it's that's the only problem here. Like most countries in Europe, like Stripe will be available. Now if Stripe is not available, for example, you want to choose another payment provider, for example Bankful. Also you want to search for Bankful and see if it's available in your country so that you can connect it. Also Bankful lets you accept all these kind of payment methods, as you can see here, guys. Okay, so that's exactly, guys, how you can add it. Okay, for example, if you want to connect Stripe, you just need to click on connect, and it's going to take you guys here to this page, as you can see. And after that, you want to click on connect at the bottom here, and it's going to take you guys directly to your Stripe account where you can create an account on Stripe. Okay, Stripe will ask you, of course, for like a personal information like your bank details and stuff like that, but just add all the details and then click on submit, and you will be able, guys, to connect Stripe to your own Wix website, and then you can start accepting payments. Okay, so I already have a Stripe account. I already connected my Stripe account to multiple sites on Wix. Okay, so that's exactly, guys, how you can do this. If you have any questions, if there is something you don't understand, go to the comments and ask me any question. I reply to every single comment. Okay, so see you guys in the next tutorial. Please drop a like and see you guys next video.